Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin seeking bullish trend. Bitcoin is close to confirming a new bullish trend according to analyst Direct Capital, who points to a key monthly close. BTC price is mimicking past cycles and is about to leave its bear market. BTC's monthly candle will close above the downtrend line to confirm a new bullish market, says Direct Capital. The low point of BTC's cycle occurred in November 2022, after the FTX debacle, when the price hit $15,600. BTC's price action continues mostly flat, with a rise above $28,000, though the price is back below that level. Weekend exchange behavior affects liquidity and can more easily move spot price. The $28,600 level is the breakout level, while $33,000 is leaning as the important reversal point, according to trader Crypto Chase. Thus, we could see a rise up to $33,000 in the coming weeks, then correct. XRP rises while awaiting trial against SEC. The price of XRP is increasing and social media mentions are surging while Ripple defends itself in its case against the SEC. Mentions of Ripple on social media are growing, and the price of XRP has surged. XRP has seen a 105.9% increase in social engagements and a 26.4% increase in social mentions. The XRP community has been actively promoting the token on social media due to its case with the US SEC. Ripple recently filed a new motion for its fair notice defense. The founder of Messari believes that the SEC's case against XRP is an overreach. XRP has surpassed other major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Cardano, and Dogecoin. The value of XRP has risen in the last 24 hours to reach 46 cents, bringing its market capitalization to $23.6 billion. BINANCE and its CEO are sued by the US CFTC. BINANCE and its CEO Changpeng Zhao are being sued by the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission CFTC for offering cryptocurrency derivative services to US citizens without proper registration in the country. The lawsuit also includes BINANCE's former chief compliance officer, Samuel Lim. The CFTC accuses the defendants of violating several of the organization's regulations. The lawsuit seeks reimbursement, civil monetary penalties, permanent bans on service and registration in the country, as well as a permanent injunction against new violations of CFTC regulations. The lawsuit is based on evidence showing Binance's intentions to evade U.S. regulations. Although Binance has a platform registered in the U.S. as Binance US, the CFTC is proceeding with the lawsuit against Binance International. For his part, Binance CEO CZ denies the market manipulation accusations. ETHEREUM, the SHAPELLA upgrade for April 12th. ETHEREUM developers confirmed the date of the SHAPELLA upgrade for April 12th. The upgrade will allow validators on the network to withdraw locked TTH in a smart contract on the Beacon chain. SHAPELLA includes changes to the Ethereum virtual machine called Shanghai and the consensus layer called Capella, as well as implementations of IPs. The Ethereum network will use validators instead of miners to confirm transaction blocks. Scroll-ups are expected to alleviate transaction bottlenecks. Polygon and Matter Labs announced new zero-knowledge scalability solutions. Restrict bill could penalize VPN users in the US with up to 20 years in prison. If passed, the bill would restrict security threats in information and communication technology, including VPNs, and allow the U.S. government to take strong action against any technology or service deemed a threat. Originally targeting TikTok, the bill aims to examine a long list of communication technologies, leading to opposition from those who fear it would allow the state to monitor the entire internet. In addition to VPNs, the law seeks to examine a long list of communication technologies, which has led to opposition from those who fear that it will allow the state to monitor the entire internet. If passed, the legislation would grant the government broad powers to ban and sanction technology deemed a threat. Bitcoin briefly reaches $29,000 despite recent Binance crackdown. On March 30th, the price of Bitcoin reached $29,132, marking a new high for the year, despite recent United States regulatory crackdowns on crypto firms and related uncertainty. The increase comes despite a range of regulatory crackdowns in recent days, such as the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission lawsuit against BINANCE and its CEO Changpeng Zhao on March 27. The price bounce back in the wake of such a bombshell development drew surprise from many industry commentators. Some believe this is due to speculation the lawsuit will only result in minor fines for the leading crypto exchange by transaction volume. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has been steadily increasing over the last month, despite wobbles in the global banking sector. Some traders have argued that the recent price rebounds may have been due to large volume traders buying back in, which was more related to their buying strategies rather than fundamentals. Massive withdrawals from Binance following CFTC lawsuit. Binance experienced an outflow of funds worth $1.6 billion after the CFTC filed a lawsuit against them. Investors withdrew more than $134.8 million in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, some of Binance's competitors saw positive flows, such as Bitstamp and Gemini. The exchange still has a balance of over $64 billion. Binance and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, are facing a lawsuit from the CFTC for violating trading and derivatives rules, as well as for violating AML and KYC rules. Zhao described the lawsuit as unexpected and disappointing. Stablecoins and blockchain technology are the future. Regulated stablecoins and blockchain technology will be widely used in 2030, according to industry executives. During the World of Web3 WOW Summit in Hong Kong, a panel of digital regulatory space professionals discussed how regulated stablecoins will continue to be used in 2030. Despite policymakers debating the future use of these assets, lawmaker Alexandra Sasha believes that regulated stablecoins will strengthen, and there will be competition between centralized and decentralized approaches during this decade. Commissioner Kelvin Lesterly is not sure whether regulated digital assets will thrive by then, but Douglas Arner, a professor at the University of Hong Kong, believes that regulated stablecoins will emerge as the most used monetary instrument in blockchain applications. Forecast: Bitcoin will reach $250,000. Tim Draper has once again predicted that the price of Bitcoin will reach $250,000, and he defended his prediction in a Ledger podcast. Although he admitted he had expected it to happen before June of this year. Draper believes that the forecast might be pushed back a bit, but he is confident it will happen 3 months before the halving, which will occur in the first half of 2024. Draper is a pro-BTC billionaire and venture capitalist and one of the most enthusiastic Bitcoin supporters. He has previously predicted that the cryptocurrency's price will reach $250,000 in February 2020, and he is now doing so again. Draper argues that Bitcoin is bigger than anything he has seen before, and that it represents all the alternatives we have to banks. He has also been one of Bitcoin's leading advocates for years, and he donated $100,000 to the Brink Association, focused on Bitcoin development. US to sell nearly 42,000 Bitcoin in the coming months. The US government will sell 41,490 Bitcoin related to Silk Road this year in 4 batches. It has already sold 9,861 of the 51,351 Bitcoin seized from James Zhong in 2012, who stole them from the Silk Road payment platform. The first batch was sold for $216 million in March 2023 through Coinbase. The sale is expected to have an impact on the cryptocurrency market, although some experts believe it will be minimal due to the distribution of sales over several months. The sale follows the filing of a modified preliminary forfeiture order and the issuance of a final forfeiture order granting all right, title, and interest in the property to the United States in February 2023. Russell Bricht, who ran Silk Road, was sentenced to life in prison in 2015. Hacker James Zhong pleaded guilty in November 2022.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking